This is going to be a video tutorial on how to loop a PowerPoint presentation. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint. I have PowerPoint opened up now. I have a little example project here to set up your slideshow to play automatically and then to loop. After it reaches the last slide, loop back to the first one and keep playing continuously. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my slides to play for about 2 seconds. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Transitions tab. I'm going to click on Transitions. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the far right, down to where it says Advanced Slide. I'm going to uncheck on mouse click. Then I'm going to check on After. Then I'm going to go down to the time here, and I'm going to move it to about 2 seconds. That's 2 seconds there. Then I'm going to go off to the left here to where it says Apply to All. I want each one of my slides to play for 2 seconds and then to move on to the next one. Apply to All. Then I'm going to set it up to loop. Once it reaches the last slide, it's going to loop back to the first slide and keep playing. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to where it says Slideshow. I'm going to click on the Slideshow tab. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to click on Set Up Slideshow. Then in the little dialog box that opens, under Show Options, the very first thing, loop continuously until escape. It will loop continuously until you press the escape key. I want to check that box. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on OK. Now my slideshow presentation will play automatically. It will play for 2 seconds each, and once it reaches the last slide, it will loop back to the first slide and keep playing. That is how to loop a slideshow in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.